Okay, everybody. So today we are going to learn about the words that describe movement of anything. All right?
Yes.
The words that describe in which direction things are moving. Are you ready to learn?
Yes.
So let's watch a video for learning more about it. And when we watch the video, we will make notes. Everyone, when you watch, you will see some sentences. And in those sentences, there will be some blue highlighted words.
Yes.
Okay? You have to note down those words. Alright?
Yes.
What will you note?
Yes, I note some words highlighted in blue.
Yes. Some words that will be highlighted in blue. Alright?
Yes.
Let's start watching, everybody. Have you all watched the video, everyone?
Yes.
So please share a few words that you have seen, a few words describing movement that you have seen in the video. Yes.
I saw in this video some word, so I will share with you. Into, out of.
Out of. Thank you. Now somebody else can share.
Yes, I would like to share along,
Along,
across.
across, not across, across.
Okay, thank you. And towards,
Two words.
towards, over,
Over. Now, thank you so much, Gulshan. Somebody else will share now.
next is through,
Through.
through,
Thank you.
out
Through,
of,
out of,
and around.
and around. Is there any word left?
Yes,
Please share.
and next one is down up. Down up.
Down and up.
Yes.
Down,
And
up. Is there any other word left that you have noted? Please share.
And next one is along.
Along.
Yes.
We have noted that.
Sorry. And next one is off of.
Off of. Off of. Yes. Are the all words done?
Yes.
Okay.
On to.
On to. Okay, we have to write on to as well. Away from.
Away from.
Away from. Under. So everyone, did you understand the use of all these? Did you understand the use also? Yes. So let's talk about these words one by one.
Of course.
So let's first of all see the easy ones. Like down and up. Who would like to share what is down and what is up? Please share.
Down means you a stair, you one by one a step you down in a stair.
And what is up?
Up is you a stair is you go to upper side.
Upper side. Very
Yeah.
nice. Down side and up side.
Side.
Are you able to understand this? Everyone. I am going downstairs. There are stairs like this, and I am moving
Downside.
downside. And I can also say I am moving upside.
Upside.
So I can say I am going upstairs.
Upstairs.
Right?
Yes.
Let's talk about the next word. Let's choose under. Under. Who has understood the meaning of this? Under.
Under, it means under the table, like that.
Okay. Under the table. That means it shows the level below something, right? So everyone, what is this? Marker. Where is the marker?
Under the table.
Under the table, right? So everybody, whenever there is a covered surface, there is a covered surface above something, the marker is under my hand. This hand, right? So whenever there is a covered surface, we say under. Is that clear? Would you like to make one sentence, please, also?
The electric board under the table.
The electric board is
under
the table. Very nice. Amazing sentence. Okay. Which one should we choose next? Across. Here. So everybody, there is one across and there is one more over. So we are choosing these two. The use is very similar for these two words, everybody. So everyone, imagine, have you seen a road? Do you know what is road? Yes. So if we are going from one side of the road to the other side, which word can we use?
Across.
Across or over?
Across.
Across. Why across?
When we cross any river, that time we use across.
Very nice.
The man across the river.
Very nice. So that means you are going from one side of the river to the other
another.
side of the river.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
By a medium. It's not by air. By a medium. Maybe by walking or by a bridge, by swimming.
Yes.
Then you will use across. Now, when do we use over? When do we use over?
I think over is used to pass this place to other place without touching it
The
means-
surface.
Yeah, without touching the surface.
Very nice.
Flying.
Yes, in the air,
Yes, in the
right?
air.
From one side to the other side, but without touching
Without
any
touching
surface.
any surface.
That is over.
Over.
It is on a height.
Yes.
Whenever we say over, then it shows height. And whenever we say across, then a distance is being covered. But in over, there is a distance being covered through air at a height. Is that okay, everyone?
Yes.
Can you give me a sentence with over?
The bird is flying over the river.
Very nice. Thank you. Amazing sentence. So we have talked about this. Which one should we talk about next? Let's talk about into, through, where is through, and out of. Out of here. Into, through, and out of. Can you share what is the use of into?
Here is a box, and something is like cat is into the box.
Going inside it.
Yes.
Right? Then we say into. Everybody into shows movement.
Yes.
That something is still in movement, going inside, on the way.
Yes.
Right?
On the moment.
Let's see, everyone. So imagine that this is a tunnel.
Yes.
This is a tunnel, and here is a car. Right? It is going in this direction. So can you make a sentence using into here?
Car is going into the tunnel.
Very nice. The car is going into the tunnel. Now the tunnel is very long and it has an end also. So the car is passing. Which word can we use? Through. When something passes from the inside, we use the word through. All right, everyone? Yes. Now the car is here. The car is here and it is passing. Which word can you make a sentence for this? Yes? It's not out yet. It is passing. Can you please make a sentence?
So the car is going through the tunnel.
Yes, the car is going through the tunnel or passing through the tunnel. Now, it has to come out. We will use this one. Out of. Who would like to make a sentence?
The car is going out of the tunnel.
The car is going out of the tunnel. So we just talked about into, through, and out of. Did you understand the use of it, everyone?
Yes.
Great. Let's talk about some other words, everybody. Let's talk about this. 2 words. What is the meaning of 2 words? Please explain.
Something like coming that place,
Yes. Moving in
Moving.
a direction.
moving that direction.
Very nice. So everyone, let's understand it again. There is a person, and this person wants to go here, and this person is moving. The name of this place is FEA. So can you make a sentence using two words?
The person coming towards,
Going.
the person going towards the FEA.
Yes, the person is going towards
The
FEA.
FEA.
Right? Did you understand the meaning of two words also, everyone? So always remember there is a destination, end point, and we are moving towards it. Now please tell me, where am I moving? Towards the
Table.
table. Very nice. Let's talk about other words. Let's talk about onto. Onto. Who would like to share the meaning of onto?
Onto is similar to into, only the difference is now we are not going inside something, we are going top of something.
Yes.
For example, if I am the winner in Olympics, so I came in first in that race, so people will call me onto the stage, winning stage. So the preposition will be used onto the stage. All the winners, please come onto the stage, not into the stage, because I'm not going inside, I'm going top of the stage.
Yes. Very nice example shared. So it's very similar to into as he shared, just not going inside but going on the surface of it. Not going inside but on the surface. Right, everyone? Yes. Thank you. Let's talk about the other word. Let's talk about away from. It's opposite of two words, everyone. Yes. So please tell me again, where am I going? Where am I moving?
You are moving away from
Right
the
now.
board.
Away from whiteboard. I am moving towards
Towards
the
table.
but away from the whiteboard. Very
whiteboard.
nice. You all are very smart. Okay. And which one is left? Along and around. Who would like to share what is the meaning of along?
Means something you are moving nearby something, like you are running along the river, along the road.
Great.
And yes, and around means you
along
are moving.
means you are going in the same direction.
Yes, same direction, but along the. Yes.
So along is not moving in the circle. It's not like that. It is moving in the direction of something.
Yes.
Okay? It is just moving in the direction of something. Who would like to give me one example with along? Come on.
Going to along the bank of the river.
I am going along the bank of the river. Means there is the bank of the river and you are walking along it. Very nice. Have we understood along also, everybody? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Let me tell it to you for one more time for my satisfaction. So for example, here is a road. Road. If I am walking in the direction of the road at a side, then I am going alongside the road, right? I hope it is clear now. Yes. Last one is around. Let's talk about that also. Who would like to share the meaning of around?
Means like is if we are going to walking in a circle, so that time we will use around.
You are circling something.
Yes.
Right, everybody, we do mingle activity, right?
Yes.
So where do we move at that time?
Around the table.
Yes, we move around the
table.
Thank you so much for sharing. Now everybody, I hope we have understood these many prepositions. Yes. Right? Yes. So let's practice it one more time with the help of a very interesting activity. Are you ready? Yes.